Jatakas feature past karmic relationship between the future Shakyamuni and his wife, parents and chief disciples, involving the karmic histories of others with whom he participates in a sort of collective karma. His path to Buddhahood was very long indeed, lasting over eons of lifetimes, involving repeated encounters with past Buddhas, performing paramitas, that is perfections, accomplishing both mental and physical perfection. Apart from karmic perfection, he is also endowed with genealogically perfect lineage. His ancestry going back to Mahasammat, the first king of the universe, thus inaugurating the royal connections of the Buddha and providing him with an impeccable pedigree. The Pali Jataka book, that consists of 547 Jataka tales, offers information on 550 bodhisattvas. The Buddha is in his previous lives. As a human being, the Buddha in his previous lives was born in different parts of the Indian subcontinent. For example, at Varanasi, he was born as many as 148 times. Out of the total of 292 births as a human being, 148, that makes around 50% of the time. The Buddha in his previous lives was born in Varanasi, the city of Varanasi. And other than the city of Varanasi, in the kingdom of Kashi, he was born another 63%. So if you look at only this, his birth as a human being, out of a total of 292 births, he is born about 72% nearly of the time. That is 3/4 of his births, previous births, are in the holy city of Varanasi, or the king or Kashi kingdom. That's really very interesting. As per the Jataka stories, the places of the previous human births of the Buddha can be determined in the case of 292 previous births. Out of these, he was born 148 times in Varanasi, and if we add his 63 births that took place elsewhere within the kingdom of Kashi, the figure goes up to 211, making it nearly 3/4 of the total births. That is really very interesting. So the association of the Buddha in his previous births was very, very strong with the holy city of Varanasi, Kashi. So in his previous births, apart from as a human being, as an animal, so in his previous births as an animal, the Bodhisattva was born at least 32 times in the Himalayas out of a total of 62 births, which comes to more or less half. So half of the time as an animal he is born in the Himalayas. Then within the Kashi kingdom he is born 13 times, including the capital Varanasi, 5, and he was born at least 18 times, that is 29%, as an animal also in the holy city of Kashi or the kingdom of Kashi. For the modern province of Uttar Pradesh, if on the bank of Ganga he was born twice, and Koshal kingdom once, if they are also included, then the figure goes up to around 1/3, 33%, 33.9%. in the present province of Uttar Pradesh. The northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent, that is Takshila once, Pachantim Pradesh once, accounts for just 2 births, that is less than about 3% of the births were in the northwestern part of India. Like the Jataka book, the Charya Pitaka also gives the details of the previous 35 births of the Buddha, in which he acquired the 10 great perfections, the paramitas, generosity, that is dan, in 10 stories, the goodness, that is Sheel, in another 10 stories, renunciation, Nikhamma, in 5 stories, wisdom, that is Panya, energy, Virya, patience, Khanti, truth, Satcha, in 6 stories, resolute determination, Adithan, in 1 story, loving kindness, that is Metta, in 2 stories, and equanimity, that is Upekha, in 1 story. So without this, he could not have become a Buddha. So all these paramitas that he completes as given in this text, so he could not have become a Buddha unless he completed these paramitas.